Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
Yes, it is true that COVID-19 is the fastest developed vaccine in human history. Let's admit that, tuod gid na siya. But I have to tell you that in developing ang vaccine nga ni, the scientific integrity, the crucial steps were not compromised. Ang welfare sa mga samples in conducting this vaccine trial was never compromised. Ang scientific steps sa pag-ubra sang vaccine were never skipped. So, if you ask nga ang kadasigid, no? The speed sa pag-ubra sang vaccine nga ni is solely because of the advances in technology, in medicine, in the past 10 or so years. Presently, we have the capacity to look at the genetic sequence of the virus nga dasig-dasig, which in the past hindi ta na maobra. It will take years for scientists to map out the genetic sequence of virus. But subong iya, because of these CRISPRs and all these high-tech machine, pwede tagid exactly mabalaan kung anong genetic makeup sang virus. And because of that, the code will be used to produce vaccines. So ang speed nga dasig ang vaccine is because dasig man kita mag-identify sa genetic code. Number 2, in the past, kung mag-ubra ikaw sang vaccine trial, kilanglan mo sang a good number of people to which ang vaccine i-administer. Meaning, kung mag-ubra ka sang vaccine for polio, kilanglan mo sang damo nga tao nga may polio. But currently, ang trial sa COVID is conducted in the middle of pandemic where hindi kita mabudlayan magkuha sang samples nga nagamasakit actually because we are in the middle of it. Because of these reasons, we are able to produce the vaccine in a historical na fastest nga way, but not because ginskip ta ang mga scientific nga method. So that's the reason for that.